Today we get to go inside of Jay's Smart Woodshop. Jay's going to give us a tour and show us how he repurposed an old cow barn into a beautiful wood shop. If you want to build a smart wood shop or one of the smart workbenches for yourself, there's a link in the description of this video down below.
You're looking for a short video, and I think I can do that for you. So what we have here is a dairy farm from the 50s or 60s. We're in Brunswick, Georgia, just south of Savannah, halfway between Savannah and Jacksonville, but nevertheless. I'm the Director of Administration for a local water utility, and part of what I do is manage the customer service area, but also create the public education. So we started producing some furniture for our customer service area, and this is the second piece. We do have a kiosk that stretches 12 feet for iPads, and I became kind of interested in woodworking during COVID, like so many people, and it gave me something to do, especially during the lockdown. But started off with this bench, and then got inspired to build the Paulk big bench, and it also serves as a garage for my daughter's car. And yeah, so I tell everybody I have an electric vehicle. But yeah, this is basically the tour of my shop. Dairy farm, as I mentioned. You can even see the trough where the cows used to be brought through, and God knows what was done in here, but nevertheless, it's the shop now. So have a little bit of area over here for tools, the overflow more or less. And yeah, my wife would probably say I should have cleaned up before company came to visit, but it is what it is. So hopefully you like the shop, and obviously the big bench is the centerpiece. Good stuff.
If you enjoyed Jay's Smart Woodshop tour, then be sure to give him a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions for Jay, put them in the comments down below. I'm sure Jay will be happy to answer any questions that we at the Smart Woodshop fam have. If you'd like to have your Smart Woodshop featured here on the Smart Woodshop channel, grab your smartphone, hold it horizontal, and go through your shop, give us a tour and telling us all about it. Make sure we get to see your face too. It's always nice to see the craftsman behind the shop. And if your smartphone will shoot in 4K, that would be great. And then you can DropBox it to me. I'll do a little editing and put it together. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. I already have a lot more of these shop tours to come. You're going to enjoy them. Thanks for hanging out with me in the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.